Well, hello. Um, Today I'm pretending that I'm in the hills of Italy because we're going to speak about today one of a wine that is synonymous with Italy, even though, believe it or not, the grapes did not originate in Italy. Today we're going to talk about the beloved Pinot Grigio or Pinot Gris. The Pinot Gris being the French name for the same grape. Two grapes, two different names, two different profiles. So the Pinot Gris actually originated in Burgundy, France. Then it went to Switzerland, and then from Switzerland it found its way to Italy, into the Trentino region, the Alto Adige region, the Friuli region, Lombardy. Those are some of the regions in Italy that you will find the Pinot Grigio. In Italy, the Pinot Grigio actually is a very light, refreshing, easy to drink wine, one that's not made to be aged. It's really supposed to be a really beautiful summer easy wine. You will have characteristics and aromas of lime, lemon, some green apples. Those are typically the aromas and flavor profiles that you will find from the Pinot Grigio in Italy. The Pinot Gris, which is the French version of the same grape, however, they're made in a different style. The Pinot Grigio, you're going to find it's a little more dry and a little more fruity. The Pinot Gris, sorry, is going to be a little more dry and a little more fruity. And this you'll find in Alsace in France. And in this now you're going to have more flavor profiles of honey. It's going to be a lot more intense and a lot more concentration of honey, rose, peach, yellow apples, and you will have some limes and lemon, which is typical to the grape profile. All right, in Italy also, actually in France, you'll find one of the rare form of sweet Pinot Grigio, and you'll find it in Alsace. Because of special wine technique the winemakers use, they also use late harvest grape and noble rot grape to create a sweeter wine than you typically would find of a Pinot Grigio. Another thing about Pinot Grigio, actually, there's also a rosé made from Pinot Grigio called Romato. And that again is using the grapes to macerate with the skin, and these are only left on for about 24 to 36 hours, and you have that very rare form of Pinot Grigio, rosé from a Pinot Grigio, as rosés are typically made from red wine grapes. Another thing about the Pinot Grigio, actually, which it is a mutation from Pinot Noir. Hence, instead of it being green like other white wines, it tends to be purple, pinkish, gray blue, in color, and even sometimes brownish. Pinot Gris means gray, actually, the gris. So those are usually the colors which make it a little different from the typical white grape. Because of this also, another thing that Pinot Grigio grapes are used to make when they're nice and ripe and left to be really aromatic, they make one of my new obsession in wines, which is called an orange wine. I know a lot of you have not heard of it. I know it's not made from oranges. It's actually made from the Pinot Grigio grapes, but in the style of a red wine, which means fermentation takes place in the skin, and it actually is a very intense aromatic wine that has an orangey hue, hence the name orange wine. So Pinot Grigio, like I said, guys, it's going to be one of your lightest bodied wines that you can get in terms of a white wine. It's usually very refreshing, easy to drink, very easy to you don't have to age it. It's bottle ready. You want to drink it young, and like I said, if you want it a little more full-bodied, a little more aromatic, a little more fruit forward, you're going to look for a Pinot Gris. In this side of the world too, Pinot Gris is found in Oregon. Willamette Valley in Oregon makes amazing Pinot Gris. And in California, you will have both styles, the Pinot Grigio and the Pinot Gris, in excellent wines available from both places. So again, guys, great summer wine, and as you know, we're always summer in the tropics. So So please, a bottle, a glass of Pinot Grigio. Cheers.